Today we are going to discuss about concrete chipping works. What could be the hazards and what precautions to be taken? Hazard number 1. Flying debris causing eye injuries. Wear safety goggles and face protection. Hazard number 2. Dust inhalation affecting breathing. Use masks and proper ventilation. Hazard number 3. Noise from chipping tools. Use ear protection and limit exposure. Hazard number 4. Hand injuries from improper tool use. Use gloves and handle tools correctly. Hazard number 5. Electric shock from damaged tools. Inspect tools and use proper connections.